Ridham, Sanjay Kapoor's mother, Rani Kapoor, was one of the first ones to claim that while she was still grieving her son's death, she was forcefully made to sign some papers. And that's when we saw the feud really hit the headlines. If you could just help our viewers understand, because we understand that the mother is also being represented, and there's more observations and statements being made. Ridham.
That's right. So let's tell our viewers right now that for Rani Kapoor appearing in the Delhi High Court, Vaibhav Gaggar appears. He's appeared on the channel earlier also, and he says, I have nothing. He says, Rani Kapoor says, I have nothing. I have written 15 emails asking about the will. Where and what are the documents? Not a word has been shared with me. I have been told my emails have been compromised. There is something incredibly unholy. 10,000 crore rupees worth of assets should have been mine. I am 80 years old. The mother says her vested interest goes into trust is all gone. I am nowhere. Priya Sachdeva comes in. Within 3 months of her getting married, everything goes. My son today leaves me with not a roof on my head. I am Rani Kapoor. And then they say also on the issue of the will, there are assets of Sona Comstar, what has been sold. We don't know who sold it. Shares worth 500 crores sold to a Singapore entity. None of the documents are shared with me. So it's going on, turning murkier and murkier. It's not going to be easy for Priya Sachdeva and her lawyers to prove the credibility of the will, especially since the mother has now spoken out. And this is very important to understand. The court does not take it lightly, and the court also understands the significance of a mother saying that there is something incredibly holy when I have been 10,000 crore rupee share should have been mine. I am 80 years old, that I have nothing.
Right. Okay. Ridham, our executive editor, legal, getting us back-to-back updates as Delhi High Court is hearing Karishma Kapoor's children's plea seeking share in assets of late father Sanjay Kapoor. We're getting a huge update coming in, and a lot of allegations turning dirty against each other, against both the parties. Taking a short break, much more coming right up. We are live and breaking. Trump reaches out to PM Modi, says India the US talks will continue. Prime Minister Modi responds to Trump and says India and US are natural partners. Army deployed after protesters reach Pashupatinath temple. Reports of vandalism in the temple. Stay tuned, viewers.
दादी के हाथों का जादू और खुशबू से महकता घर, माँ की मुस्कुराहट और खाने की सुगंध। MDH गरम मसाला,
क्योंकि हर रिश्ता है स्वाद से जुड़ा।
केसरिया